Endowed with vast land, numerous rivers, diverse soil types, and agroclimatic conditions, Meghalaya has huge potential for agricultural development. The state of Meghalaya is predominantly agricultural, with more than 80% of its population dependent on agriculture as a source of income. To bridge the gap between research and innovation on the one hand and implementation by the farmer on the other, there is a need for extension reforms. To propagate agriculture extension reforms, the centrally sponsored scheme Support to State Extension Programs for Extension Reforms was implemented since 2005-2006. Under this scheme, Mamiti has been identified as the institutional mechanism for extension at the state level to cater to the training and HRD needs of extension functionaries. At the district level, Atma has been set up as an autonomous institution that is responsible for coordination and management of agricultural extension activities in the district. To enable the implementation of key extension reforms, Atma focuses on the following activities across the 11 districts of the state: facilitating convergence of farmer-centric programs in planning, execution, and implementation through trainings, ensuring an integrated, broad-based extension delivery mechanism consistent with farming system approach with a focus on bottom-up planning process through demonstrations and exposure visits, adopting group approach to extension in line with the identified needs and requirements of the farmers in the form of farmer interest groups, commodity interest groups, and food security groups, encouraging multi-agency extension strategies involving public-private extension service providers through farmer friends and farm schools. Provision of specialist and functionary support is provided at the state level through the state coordinator, faculty, and supporting staff. At the district level through 11 project directors and 22 deputy project directors, and at the block level through 39 block technology managers and 117 assistant technology managers. Atma teams at the districts are supported through a network of farmer friends at the village level with 2 farmer friends per village. These farmers are progressive farmers who act as a vital link between Atma and other farmers at the village.
Ka office kelaji dengan kawai niki farmer friends, te lengba chong kane ka farmer friends ngabang along ngala ya share ki para senong pratau ki niki para senong hang ni ki barcan marpa barokhat ki para nong rep barokhat ba nginom randin hakarep namar ngitip skam ba ka cing ya rep ka cing ya telang ban ya minot hakarep kamut ka wanra ka cing mentoy
te hala kalik chonga nga kloy ban ya trelang na banta ki nong rep kumjuk ro ki nong rep ki ton kam ki ban ya trelang bat ngi mo te pide ban pentip lang sangi kanang ba la kalik chongi ngile kat ba ki don ka bor mo
ngala ban yarap lam yo se dan ki parlok ki ba kwa ban le kan kam kila ban ong yang ngala pin keren lang na banta jungki yo sem ki kim itu kim tiap kila ban pentip lam yangi ngin ya keren lang ngin ya keren lang ban ngin pentip lang ha ka bay dei pet ya ki ha ka bay dei bat kine ki benta.
Keeping farmers as the focus, farm schools have been set up in the fields of outstanding or progressive farmers in which the farmer himself works as a teacher.
Te ngadon iwe perlok ba royar korba ibala aju persang ai kanika kamre dok ha. Te yong bakadon kecingmi te ngaro nglawan pej hei te ngayo ei ba kadon kecingmi te ka cingbo dok ha cengi te nak takadau ngaro ngala persang banti ya kanika kabu dok ha kaniki pentor keba barok sodong ngasun tenat sibun ladang ngan ei ba kibro kidan kecingmi nakanika riap karing keba ngiyo sibenta ngiyo na ukuba bat sibenta ngiyo na kadok hat.
Farmer-scientist interactions are also arranged at farm schools to impart training in specific methods of farming and technologies.
Keba tai panganika atma kelas game blok da egale ikam ga arobi ga farm school hari ni farm school em gam ga ru li kelas hari kan ru li kelas yo la jing kai na doktor toy แต่le I jingkai chibon jingkai wa chapang asula the you know asula yo jing toi pon ha jing toi manchwa jo you rap e bam ni snyang ni dai wa tam na wa rap tu thet rang ni thet te man ya kenye how kut snam gi pon banai e bam snyang yo lut ba te no yo ni asula na ga atma thala skin belong te yo pon ha jing rap
kacang hika yo nuksna yo inu doktor susiang mut lagi jing mentoi gi wa yo inu kabam nado wa sedang ya kaniga nuksna ya kaniga bam kani penduna ko ya kacing lut jing sep ko yong I kam tam ho thed I gi jepot gi skop gitu gi pick fit gitu rap ngia do thed to wa da ai da kani da hika ya ila o pdem mi da kini gi sela kini gi jor ki wa ngam go em cepet wa emo soru lu yo inu cepet nado pai umpai klek lang hite te kini penduna ko ye kecing lut jing sep yang I bat yo I lek kecing mentul ko ba kam tam mo pa ini liang kam ngani ga bam sniang wa kisniang la bam bah ka te pot lang le mot kani dalum ye ka kam tam ne ba ko kam tam pot lang wa duna bam na kani ga bam sniang yo kecing ko yo ba I kecing mentul.
Technologies related to systematic cultivation process, seed planting technique, water management, integrating farming system, feed management, use of organic fertilizers, etc. are imparted to the farmers through demonstrations and exposure visits, along with the provision of machinery so that they can utilize those technologies and profit from their produce.
Kada kaling ka atma ba na po district ng po kila yarap kamtam yanga marba bakumno bakin pan thot igilat kalanti nang bantag ba kinyarap kamtam yang iki nang rap te patkawe kalong ba hadu o using te kabaar kiniki siar tikila kloy ban yarap yanga bangla yo ban ri ki jing ai na po blok omsning kaba lai kalong ba ngalayo ban lit pet la chong ki kmat hang te ha po blok omsning hang te ha po pham na ka mata ka ba ni rap using bat ngelayo ka training nang tay na po musning blok na ka mata ka bede bat kini ki jingri na ka mata kini ki sumbai dok ha te bat ka we ka long ba ngelayo ban lek ban pej ya ka caka hang tay po dispol hang tay timba ngala ngi ka lat kalanti na ka mata ki wadon chok tu ka caka apo snapur asam jatai la kaling jonga ngasngu don kata kacing temu bangan lem kum makile lem citai kicaka kalong ba ngan tuat ikilat kalanti ba gumno ba kanang ba ngi kinong rap ngin kam im
ngi compare pan han kini kisna melada bangabu dok ha ba duk ba te nak arsan square meter ngasim jingken kemba kila hikai kumno ban sim ban ken mi kano ko ba mi yo kano te re ha ka ba ide bat ka dok ha ke gi jung metoi ka ba khambun andai ladangi ken ni kamyo kambun ya ka dok ha barokot ji dok ha bang ibu lai spat teli te nak lai spat teli kumta kan ken mi saki ladangi di ka dok ha ta kan mi saki nyau ne praja
kawan kadi kajing yarap na ka atma kaba ai sibun kajing mentoi yangi bat ka kala yarap banang pan im shushu yakni giding so ajungi da kaba ki kai yangi ban kumno ban le yakani ka half moon terrace ban ai khandau ya ki dikit ki papau shabar bakanang pen itanat shushu yarap ru hadu bangin yo ya ka machine kaba ka penduna no ya ka bor ka jinglut ka jongi lamba ka jing ban ra jong ki machine nang ta ki ni ki teknik ki ban pelong organic ya ka peru ka jing ai jungi ya ka ni ka shun kumno bangin pangam hau thi jong ding so to ka jing ta shun jongi ka dai ka long ba ka jing khle lang jongi ka shun ba ka tutia ka long ba nam aila di ki khnyang bakin rong hau ding so dia ka jing spray pa jongi ya ka shun ba ka tutia sha clear jong so ka long ban penyap ya ki so pailan ka half moon terrace ru ka bang ngile mencuangi pendan kam na mo kiu ndai da ka bang yo ya kata katia ru ka penyerap ka pensuk wa de kentai bri ru ni long suk ti ban po yau khandau long ga yau thit so ru kam kta
Atma also works towards mobilization of the farmers into commodity interest groups, farmer interest groups, and food security groups to further enhance the farmers' production and marketing capabilities.
Hadian kajing kenduk jongi bat kanika atma ngi kirpat sya kanika atma ban ai kajing rap yangi yaki tiar bangi lak ban penankam hakapor bangi syed asyar bada kajing la kloy kanika atma kalawan penpoi sisai kiti tiar ki bangi dan kam hakapor bangi penankam ban syed asyar ngidang yok biang kajing rap nakaliang jongka atma kibilor kini kajing ta yakitu kibilor ban pen itu kinu ki asyar dok ha kinu ki asyar dok masima kalau long sisa kajing itenat dang hakapor bas dang kamut ngempat yok kita kajing tak isu lek bitang dak bilar sudah hendrai menta pa dak kajing dan jong kanika atma dak kajing lakloi jong kaban wan rai ketu kajing tak kerteng ru kamut kibri ki bathir ru kila sokai
ila sedang ini kam namar bang ila yo training nak kapor yo training nak atma ru nak agri party bagi saya ya tu yang apa ya ki grup ro kai ingi saya training ba kani kajing ai da wai than ni kajing thong jing tap kawan rai kajing ma kajing besau kajing bom koi bom khia ya ki brio je kila kalawan kajing cengi perakan thai bangin ya form do da kaneka organic farming farmers kinong rap ban rap bai klem ai da wai fertilizer klem ai kanu ka chemical kan i snodon box sisa ba kadan ka tama kila ya ai jing rap ingi ki sembai ngim dan kam chuban thien la ai ki sembai organic kila wan ban batai lu ingi kumno ban nado silong lalong no kumno no ban tiksliu kumno ban ring nur nang tak kumno ban sna sebo aj masi da kanika nyut ka nyeru kila batai lut hikai kumno bangin sna sebo da ka ba ngile kanika pancaba kanika ciba mret ru bangi king kumtum man kasni king ba kumtu khasan singi pada mi katu nang tang spray ka khandau ka km ki we ki bun ka imbyang ni khandau nang ta jing chung ro ki bah baik mentangi unus nem baladap rungi laduk gi jor bajor pala uslap yang subhase ban penyo ingi dekat poli house kala ya penyo syang ina sunguk pala sisa kanika jalkon ro balik rum ro kila penyo katerpar la ya pedam omong tu ngila long mencing mentoy kala jan hang tu bat poli house ngila yo ban ai om gi cingtung cengi kaptam portlang je ngila mentar ngidang chung biang hatai ngila le su uni umuli ba kolam ngila ngile uni seed production ni Kibriu kila mentah kila nang sung thu badan kamban bam dek ini ki jor organik kat kum katrining bakila ana atma tingila ya tristami ban follow up ikata te mdai tang mangisu follow up ikata ru namar ngi bakalong ro ba matoi sisa bay onong
tingi thong sibun ki cacing thong ki jor uphan ki muli ki lakum ki babun ki motor ki bet ke jor rungi thong tambau bakam pongsan hakaning sinong tungi dai phul kubi te phul kubi ngi kalom sambai hi nalade ngi kalom sambai ban ngi yo tang khandiat namar ba ngem idang sudang long tang kinong rem ngi kermen bakan ni poli house ka ba nakaling chong atama ka ba kila ai ngi kila penbiang bangen yo ya ka umru to kila ai bat ya ka ceka ban penmi yak subo wi ru ngila yo ngila ala hi ban penmi khandiat dengan nang yai teli ngenang yai ya mer cengmot bai da kawai cengmot bangen trai stom ba ngenla ban penmi uni sembai phol nakani ka sinong moreng mingi ba ngenla ru ban supply haka saki wei pat ki sinong bat khamtam hakani ka celam khalia chongi
Atma was set up in 2011 in the state of Meghalaya to ensure delivery of extension services to farmers. Till date, the agency has mobilized 618 farmer friends and formed 3,709 commodity and farmer interest groups and food security groups across the state. 492 farm schools have been set up across the state with a total of 1,239 trainings and 3,788 demonstrations conducted since inception. Atma has also organized 704 exposure visits to enable farmers from the state to view practical examples of successful integration of sustainable practices in farming communities like their own. A total of 21 Kisan Melas have been organized as a platform for bringing together entrepreneurs, scientists and farmers for exchange of information and views related to agriculture. As the state moves towards a new economic revival with the spirit of self-reliance, agricultural reforms through Atma can help bring farmers closer towards economic stability and sustainability.